Hi, welcome to Subhanji Kawal. Each and every exam must to ask Indus Valley civilizations. Indus Valley civilization questions. So, in ancient Indian history, our first lesson is the IVC, Indian Valley Civilization. So, what is Indus Valley Civilization? What is its name coming from? So, it is coming from Indus River. Okay. So, Indian ancient civilization is the IVC, Indus Valley Civilization. Okay, Indus Valley Civilization. So, South Asian first civilization, very important. So, South Indian first civilization, Indus Valley Civilization. Okay, the civilization was first discovered by Charles Mason, 1826. The civilization was first discovered by Charles Mason, 1826. Okay, so in 1856, Karachi to Lahore railway working time, James and Button discovered Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. At the time of 1856, very important. Karachi to Lahore railway working time, James and Button discovered IVC, Indus Valley Civilization. What is Karachi? Present today, Pakistan economic capital Karachi. Present day, Pakistan economic capital is the Karachi. But what is the Indian economic capital? It is a Mumbai. Indian economic capital or Indian financial capital is the Mumbai. Remember these points. Okay. So Lahore to Karachi to Lahore. Okay. 1856 railway time. Okay. What is the Indian first railway? Ran. Okay. 1853 April 16. Remember this point. 1853 April 16 ran Bombay to Thane, 34 kilometers. Lord Dalhousie was the father of Indian Railway. Lord Dalhousie. Okay, remember these points. Next, Alexander Cunningham in 1873 and 1876, two times Harappan mounds discovered. Two times Harappan mounds discovered. Alexander Cunningham, 1873 and 1876. Okay, so remember this point. Alexander Cunningham was the father of the Indian archaeologist and first DG, Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Archaeological Survey of India. Okay. Alexander Cunningham was the father of Indian archaeologist and first Director General of the ASI. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. Okay. When it is Archaeological Survey of India found, ASI found 1861. Very important. 1861 Calcutta. Headquarters is the Calcutta. Okay. 1861. Remember this year. 1861. Prior to police system started which year? 1861. Prior to police system. Number of time asking this question. Prior to police system. Prior to police system which year started? 1861. Next, CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, started 1861. Criminal Procedure Code, Lord Canning. 1861 at the time of the Viceroy. Viceroy was the Viceroy? Lord Canning. Okay. Lord Canning started three acts. What is this? CPC, Civil Procedure Code, 1859. IPC, Indian Penal Code, 1860. And 1861 CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code. Remember these points. Okay. 1861 is the very important. Okay. Leave it. Next, 1921 Harappan civilization excavations are began. Yes, this is very important. At 1921 Harappan civilization is started. Okay. So here is the important is there. 1921. To take number of questions. Number of questions is there. 1921. What is 1921? Mopla revolt takes place in Kerala. Mopla revolt takes place in Kerala, held Kerala. Okay. So Christian Muslim, farmer Christian and Muslims revolt is the Mopla revolt. It is held Kerala. What is the Kerala new name? Kerala new name is the Keralam. Remember this point. Kerala new name Keralam. Okay. According to third article. Kerala new name Keralam. According to third article. Okay. Article is the 3. Next to central budget is separated. Normal budget ma. Central budget nundi. So state budget separated. Central budget to state budget is separated. And general budget to railway budget is separated this year 1921. Okay. So 1921 is there. So central budget to separated state budget. Next from general budget to railway budget is separated 1921. After 2017 it is combined, merged railway budget. Okay. So remember this ones 1921. So another important question is there, great dividing year, very very important. Number of time asking this question, great dividing year. So 1921. So it is the most important one, 1921. Okay. Next, contemporary civilizations. What is the contemporary civilizations? So when IVC developed in the valleys of the Indus and Saraswati river, 3 other great civilizations flourished in the other parts of the world. 3 other civilizations were there. So before IVC, what is the IVC? Indian Valley civilization. So other 3 parts of the 3 civilizations are there. What are there? First is the Mesopotamian civilization. Very very important. What is Mesopotamia? First, its other name, Mesopotamia other name, Sumerian civilization. Sumerian. Okay. Mesopotamia mean a place between 2 rivers, that is the Tigris and Euphrates river. What is this river? Tigris river and Euphrates river. Mesopotamia mean a place between the 2 rivers. Okay. Next, old name of the Iraq, Mesopotamia. Old name of the Iraq is Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia present today name Iraq. Remember this point. Persia new name Iran. Persia new name Iran. Mesopotamia new name Iraq. Okay. Remember this point. Mesopotamia new name Iraq. Persia new name Iran. Okay. Next, also called Sumerians. Mesopotamia is also called Sumerians. Okay. IVC, Indus Valley Civilization peoples contacts with Sumerian peoples for the trade. Okay. So Indus Valley Civilization peoples contacts with Sumerian peoples. Nothing but a Mesopotamian peoples for the trade. Okay. Next one, Egyptian civilization. What is it? Where is it located? So it is developed on the bank of the Nile River. Egyptian civilization located on the bank of the Nile River or developed on the bank of the Nile River. Nile River is the world longest river. Remember this point. World longest river, Nile River. World biggest river, Amazon River. But Indian biggest and longest river, Ganga. Indian biggest and longest river, Ganga. It is a national river. Okay. Indian national river, Ganga. So South Ganga, but South Ganga is the Godavari. Okay. Leave it. It is the another number of names is there. So leave it. Next, it is developed bank of the Nile River. World longest river. Okay. Gift of the Nile, Egypt. So Egypt is at North Africa. North Africa part is the Egypt. Okay. What is Africa? What is the Africa meaning? Africa continent is called dark continent. But what is the meaning of the Africa? Africa mean light. Africa mean light. Very, very important. So our competitive exams meanings also asked. Okay. So Africa mean light. So what are the questions are the with the light? Light of the Asia, Gautam Buddha. Light of the world, Gautam Buddha. Light of the world, Gautam Buddha. Light of the Asia, same Gautam Buddha. Okay, leave it. So this is the Egyptian civilization. Okay, next to Chinese civilization. This is developed on the bank of the Huanghe River. This is developed the bank of the Huanghe River. But what is meaning of the Huanghe? So listen this one. Huanghe means yellow river. Yellow river. Huanghe means yellow river. So it is referred as the sorrow of the China. So it is referred as the sorrow of the China. So sorrows of the rivers are some of the important topics in our competitive exams. What are the sorrows of the river? Indian Sorrow River, Brahmaputra. Indian Sorrow River is the Brahmaputra, or Assam Sorrow River is the sorrow of the Assam, Brahmaputra. Okay, most floods coming to India by Brahmaputra River. Okay, next to sorrow of the Bengal, Damodar River. So sorrow of the Bihar, Kosi River. Sorrow of the Odisha, Brahmani River. Sorrow of the AP River, Budameru. So like this is the some of the sorrows of the river. Remember these points. Okay. Next, it is referred as the sorrow of the China. Okay. Next, IVC people do not found contact of the Egyptians and Chinese. Do not contact with the Egyptian and Chinese. Not found. Okay. So this is the contemporary civilizations of the. So to IVC, Indus Valley Civilization. Okay.